Here is a G-800SA Yaesu rotor. I just got this broken rotor from Tim down in Texas, swapped out the motor, and it's pretty close to left all the way, so I'm just going to go left. Oh, I said go right. See, and it quits, so the end of the travel switch stops. Now, I'm not too familiar with the way the dial is or calibrating this thing. I know it does have some overlap to it. Now it's going the other way. Turning left. As high gain would say, counterclockwise. And it'll go all the way over there to about 180 and then stop. These things go around quite a bit more than the high gains do. Main thing is it turns and it stops, so that's a big improvement over the way it was the first time. Bada boom, bada beam. There you go. Now what to do with it? I did notice one thing, that this crappy connector on the back of the Yaesu controller itself, the 6-pin, there's one wire that will not stay in the terminal or in the connector, but that terminal is not used, so that's the reason why I rewired it, so I don't have to worry about that. There it is. It's a nice little rotator. Okay, thanks for watching.